Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Jeep Liberty versus Ford Escape. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which compact SUV best fits your lifestyle. The Liberty is known for its adventurous spirit and four-wheel drive prowess, while the Escape often appeals to those seeking a comfortable daily driver with good gas mileage. Let's dive into the specifics of each vehicle. When it comes to performance, the Jeep Liberty typically boasts a powerful 3.7-liter V6 engine, offering impressive towing capacity for its class. This makes it a solid choice for those needing to haul trailers or boats. The Ford Escape, on the other hand, usually comes with more fuel-efficient four-cylinder engines, making it a practical option for city driving and longer commutes where gas mileage is a priority. The Liberty's robust four-wheel drive systems also give it a distinct advantage off the beaten path. Inside, the Jeep Liberty provides a straightforward and durable cabin designed to withstand rugged use. Its focus is more on functionality than luxury, with practical controls and resilient materials. The Ford Escape typically offers a more refined interior, often equipped with advanced infotainment systems and more comfortable seating options, appealing to drivers who prioritize modern conveniences. Both vehicles provide ample cargo room, with over 60 cubic feet available when the rear seats are folded down, making them versatile for hauling gear or groceries. Regarding reliability and value, both the Jeep Liberty and Ford Escape generally offer average dependability for their segments. Maintenance costs can vary based on the vehicle's age and condition, so thorough inspections are always recommended. Resale value is influenced by factors like mileage, trim level, and overall upkeep. For those looking to make life a bit easier, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. It's a simple way to stay organized and save time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.